The Aprilia RSV4 is a superbike manufactured by Aprilia. The RSV4 is Aprilia's flagship model. Production of the motorcycle began in 2008, and the bike took part in the 2009 Superbike World Championship season. Max Biaggi aboard the RSV4 reached the podium 9 times in the first full season of the 2009 World Superbike racing and won the championship in 2010. In 2016, Aprilia RSV4 was offered in 2 models, the RSV4 RR and RSV4 RF. Now, the latest Aprilia RSV4 models are RSV4 and RSV4 Factory, which have a dramatic change to its swing arm, lighter and with a reinforced lower brace. Inspired by the Aprilia RSGP used in MotoGP, this innovation reduces masses and increases the stability of the rear end during acceleration. In the previous range, the RR version sported an Aprilia 1000cc, 201 horsepower V4, but the new latest RSV4 and RSV4 Factory models are all powered by the same 1100cc, the first mass-produced high-performance narrow V4 cylinder in the world. Lightweight and compact like no other, it delivers torque of up to 125 Nm at 10,500 RPM. Horsepower remains at an impressive 217, already hard to beat, but it now meets Euro 5 criteria and breaks the 305 km/h barrier at top speed. Common to both RSV4 and RSV4 Factory is the revamped V4 1099cc engine, but the factory version sports standard elements such as forged aluminum wheel rims, an Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system, and Brembo Stylema brake calipers. The Aprilia RSV4 is the only superbike that allows you to adjust the position of the engine on the frame, the angle of the steering head, the swing arm pivot, and rear end height, while of course, as you would expect, all suspension setups, just like a real racing bike. The shape of the new RSV4, inspired by the revolutionary RS660, makes for a significantly reduced aerodynamic resistance coefficient with a notable jump in performance at high speed. Instead of being exposed appendages on the sides of the bike, the winglets are now integrated into the double fairing. Improved ergonomics come in the form of a new fuel tank, and through lowering both the seat and foot pedal footrest by 9 mm, creating a more natural, relaxed riding position, even for taller riders. Also new is the Magneti Marelli ECU 11MP control system for improved management of the Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, and a riding experience like never before. In keeping with Aprilia's lighting approach on sport bikes, the RSV4 is equipped with a triple LED front headlight unit, featuring perimeter DRLs and bending lights function, where the auxiliary lights increase visibility when cornering by illuminating the inside of a turn. Aprilia's latest RSV4 and RSV4 Factory offer robust, full-bodied vintages suitable for different budgets and tastes. The standard RSV4 has an MSRP of $19,000 USD, whereas the RSV4 Factory has an MSRP of $26,000 USD.
Believe in ceilings, I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up, got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video.